Hi guys, we're going to Macau.
Macau and Hong Kong is the best.
We're going to Park and Fly and doon namin i-stay yung van.
Nakis ganda.
Maganda ko din, oh.
Wow.
Hey guys, we're here in Park and Fly and nag-check-in kami ng
Take me by seaside baddies on the go. You're 3 to 5 from noon. I don't wanna know ya. I got scared and I got something for ya. Not my heart, not my space, not my.
Hey guys, sabi come here. We're here in Macau now and it's night na. Ginabi na kami because
We
na-delay
don't
yung...
know what are we gonna do, but
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna.
Because na-delay yung flight namin. Parang 8 na yata kami na... 8 p.m. na kami naka ano dito. With my siblings. Wow. Hey guys, it's morning here in Macau and we're going to Disneyland sa Hong Kong. Yeah, ready na siya. And here's my outfit. Later I'll show you guys my full outfit. Hey guys, we're here in
Subscribe
Bust
to my
and-
sister, Francine.
Today is a Friday, July 19, and it's currently 9:35 p.m.
Yep,
and
it is.
we're on the way to Hong Kong with my sister. Yeah. Wow. We just entered the Disneyland and maulan. It's not sunny. It's rainy.
Oh my god.
Here's a lot of people. And here's and it's rainy. It's raining. Hindi, nakakapang-sit sa mag-turtle din. Ano ako? First ride, train. Oh. And it's napakainit. Marami ding tao. Now we're here in World of Frozen. This is my favorite Disney movie, which is Frozen. Oh my gosh! Look at that. It's so pretty. Guys, we're going to roller coaster. Yes. Ah! Wala pa. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Today is July 20. And hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-vlog because super pagod kami. In-enjoy namin yung Disneyland. And ngayon, we're here sa Macau. Check-in kami here sa Grand Cologne Resort. And super pretty siya. I'll show you na lang yung hotel. Bale, dalawa yung chinek-in namin. Yung isang room for my mom and dad. And the other room is for us, the kids. So let's start. Ito, so dito meron, dito, like, lalagyan ng damit. But, syempre, hindi namin nilagyan ng damit namin dyan. And dito yung mga luggage namin. May iba pa. And then, here's the other luggage. Then, here naman, merong salamin. Yan. And then, ayan, sa mga shoes. And, ito, bathroom. Naliligo yung ate ko. So, later, I'll show you. Another mirror. And then, 2 beds. One here. Then, ayan lang. Ang kalat. At, ayan. Then, andun yung isang, merong access na isa pang room. Ito sa room namin. And then, we have balcony. Ayun yung balcony. Hindi na siya masyadong makita. But, ayan, malaki yung balcony niya actually. And, ayan, nakikita niyo yung dagat. There's the beach. So, here is the same lang din. Same. Okay, I'll show you na lang the bathroom. Ito yung gamit ni Mami. Ito na yung bathroom. The same lang din siya nung sa kabila. And, same design. Oh, may water. Ayan. May bathtub. We go here. Typical hotel room. Only one bed. Today is July 21, my birthday, and it's currently 2:28 p.m. And later, aalis na kami dito sa Macau. We're going back to Manila. And ngayon, pumapasyal muna kami sa mga famous place here in Macau. Ami, let's go! And yeah, enjoy! It's like a Paris, but it's in Macau. Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag dito, but it's so pretty! Look! Oh my gosh! Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of my sister. Okay. And with my ate and kuya and Abby. We're taking a picture.
Oh my gosh,
because it's so pretty.
It looks so real.
It is real. What do you mean? Look at that. It's so pretty.
What's your wish? Oh yeah, you cannot tell it.